Hey there. If lesson planning feels like a marathon made of sticky notes and whiteout tape, you are not alone. I'm not currently in the classroom, but I'm on the other side of it now, helping teachers with ADHD and autism and other neurodivergence. But I clearly remember what that planning burnout feels like. And so I'm doing a series on AI tools and using them to help make the lesson planning a little bit less burdensome without obviously taking you out of it. It's still your lesson, your classroom, and you know your students best. So, but with that said, this post is about how to create lesson plans using AI. And I'm going to actually talk a little bit more today about how to use them specifically to enhance lesson plans you already have versus making new ones from scratch, which is what I've talked about before. But the tools that I've personally used experimenting with this are ChatGPT, Claude, Brisk AI, and Mancha a tad bit. And like I've said before, just looking at them and playing with them is just amazing. And I'm so excited that I get to share this with you. But first I want you to know that you don't have to be totally techy or anything like that to start using these tools. And think of it as they're your assistant. They're not there to, take over. And you are still doing your due diligence. It's just that you are giving yourself that gift of a little bit extra bandwidth, so that you can spend more time actually with your students, instead of stuck, obsessing and overthinking, every lesson plan. But with just a clear prompt, these tools can give you lesson plan outlines, activity ideas, rubrics, reflection questions, differentiation strategies. There's an article I read from a organization called Ditch That Textbook, which I'll link to. But it had some fabulous ideas like using AI to make a hook for your lesson, or using AI to make an image as a hook for the lesson. Using AI to help make a kind of choose your own adventure style story that would help teach the content to your students. And lots of different ideas. Even like generating images or stories that might represent somebody you're studying, but when they were your student's age. So just some really creative things that I think some people might not have thought about. And, you don't need a full toolkit or perfect system. You just need one to help you get over that hump of getting your first draft done. And then from there, you pick and choose what you like and throw out the rest and keep mixing and recreating till you get it right. So these tools are here to support your lesson planning process, whether you're actively teaching or planning ahead. So I'll be sharing some examples and simple prompts and just general ideas to help make your planning a little easier.